Alright guys, so today we're gonna have ourselves a case of VTEC kicked in, yo. Before we start doodling, I want to give a quick shout out to John, who saw my videos, got himself a jigsaw, and doodled right out the gate Ole Miss, which I had to look it up, apparently it's Mississippi State. And now he calls himself Jigsaw Johnny. You get your jigsaw, go and create something, sacrifice some wood in the name of beauty. Send it to me please. And then let's get back to our video. This one was pretty cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and make. I have a bunch of scrap plywood, so we're gonna make a couple just letter R's on its own. Next one, I already outlined the type for both of them out of the little guy. It's easier to outline the whole thing and make a cut later across right here and separate the R from the types because it's different colors. But I got this scrap piece, that scrap piece, and not a whole lot left of the 1/4-inch ply, so I'm gonna separately make it. It's not gonna be exactly like that, I'll flip it. This way, this will be separate, that'll be separate to save a little bit of plywood. So I sprayed these all from the back, except for that one corner where I was holding on to it. And so this way all the sides are nice and black already first, and then I'm gonna spray this black. After that I'll brush it, go psh, psh, psh. But this way it'll get a nice even texture, but let's spray it first. Here we go, these guys are done. I totally forgot, I gave one of these away to a friend of mine, and then I was like, oh, I haven't shot the video yet, so we made all 4, but here we are with just the 2 of them. So now I'm not sure what I'll do with these yet, but I do like this kind of stuff. I wish my badges on Montero and Infinity were a little bit more fun than this, more like kind of like that. But anyways, let's see what else we're gonna build next.